I've made it to the ambulance. We're on the way to the airport now to be transported by aircraft to Hervey Bay. I think it'll probably be the Super King Air 200 that I was in the other day. But before we see that, let's have a look at the next aircraft, which is the rescue helicopter, and how functional it is in the role of medical retrieval and rescue in Queensland. The RACQ Lifeflight Rescue Helicopter AW139. The rescue helicopters in Queensland are very versatile. This one has only just recently arrived at the Hervey Bay Hospital, and I believe it's Rescue 399. It's a very large helicopter supported by the RACQ, which is a Royal Auto Club Queensland insurance and breakdown service. And also public support is well appreciated by the RACQ and by the rescue service for supporting and maintaining the fleet of helicopters that operate to serve the public in emergencies and for rescue purposes. I myself have not yet had the privilege, or lack of privilege, or whatever you call it, of being flown on a helicopter, and I hope I never have to be in terms of a medical situation or rescue situation. But these machines are awesome, aren't they? I think they're just a fantastic piece of equipment. Sorry about the wind noise, it's what it is. I just had to take this opportunity to film this helicopter up close and personal. It's a shame I can't get to talk to the crew, but they're always rather busy and they're on jobs, on task, and you know, they've got a lot on their minds. Hopefully one day we'll catch up, but in the meantime, that's as close as we get. Rescue helicopters are seen as the best and most efficient method of search, rescue and retrieval of patients from dire situations. Able to evacuate people from boats at sea, the bush and mountains, they can transport directly to a helipad at a hospital for the fastest emergency care. However, they do not have the fastest airspeed or best range, so are best used within 100 to 300 kilometres of their operating base. Rescue helicopters have other uses too. Currently, an elderly lady is missing in the area, and there's a helicopter out searching now with searchlights, and hopefully there's a good outcome. They've been searching the coast, which doesn't sound good, the coastline, and hopefully no harm has come to her. Fortunately, the next day the elderly lady was found. Even though she spent the night out, it was luckily a warm night. If you want to see more, be sure to check out the full startup and departure video of this helicopter. So now we're on an RFDS Super King Air 2 on the way back to Hervey Bay. let's have a look at that story and check out the aircraft.